How to add to path variables in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings, go to system, go to device, go to advanced system settings, then click on environment variables. And from here, you will be able to see user variables and system variables. If you want to edit it, simply tap on edit and now you can edit it the way you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.